So the next entry is creation of creation of PO from PR automatically. Okay. So what are the things we need to do? This is the same configurations. Okay, we need to maintain for this one as well.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll see there is a 3 transactions, ME51, you know, right? ME57 and ME59. There is a 3 transactions we are using to create the order. Okay. So ME51N. Okay. Not sure. Let's see. Some guys will do something. Now what we do, document type is NV not allowed for document category B. So they screwed up entire system. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll go to ME57. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the purchase order. Just click on assign requisitions, partially added, and click on execute. Okay, so come to here. Okay, select. ME57. So click on execute. So actually the assignment is already done. Next, we need to convert like a slash and ME59. Okay. So here, if you have the purchase requisition, you will maintain. Otherwise, you can actually enter this one, click on execute. See, now automatically, like once you create that one, PO is created. Like a 51, 57, and 59. If 57 is not working, directly you go and assign vendor in the purchase requisition. So that automatically will create a the process, and then you make it as a convert, like the purchase order can be purchase requisition can be converted into purchase order. Okay. So this is about how it can be happen for the purchase order creation. Okay. Now we'll see one more scenario. So there is an initial inventory. Initial inventory. So there is a moment type called as a 561. Okay. So generally, when we use this initial inventory, for example, if you don't have any stock in your system, okay, so you want to add the stock. So how you will add the stock through GR. Okay. So the moment type is 561. Okay. So just click on material quantity is 1 and plant. Okay, and click on check. So actually the partner is not required. So directly we are adding stock, right? Okay, so click on check. So BSA is not there. So again, this is an error. Then you need to go to OBYC. OBYC. What is error? BSA. BS. Okay, and click on check. Okay, and click on it. Just click on check and save. So before that, again, you need to check the stock. So every moment, like see now it is a 12. For every moment of the stock, you need to check like what is a stock updates and all those things. Click on post. Okay, then once it is done, just go to /and MMBE. You know, right? /and MMBE generally will check for the stock of the material. And click on afford and click on execute and see. Okay. So 13, the stock is increasing. Initially it is at 12 and it is a 13. And on order stock is like incoming stock. This is like whatever the POs you create now, POs and PRs, all those things you created and all those things you will see. And for this tracking also you can check. Like you select that one, click on the environment and the material movements. Then you can see. So initially we'll get a 10, 1, 1, 1. So there is a total the moment of stock. Chalo, okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Thanks.